This is Tim from Euro6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan the Steam QR code on your phone. So if you're having issues with this and you're trying to go to the camera option and you're trying to scan this, well, it seems like we have to refresh this right here so we can actually see it just on the web version. So let's go ahead and just reveal it. And then you can see I do have the option to just scan it with this and it'll open up and I can tap here. Now some people don't have that option, so you can just swipe on down. And you might have a QR code scanner through these buttons, so like this one right here. And then it'll open up Steam on a web page. Now if you have the Steam app, just go to the Steam app. You can see in the middle there's this little shield. Just go to the shield icon. Tap here to scan QR code. And it'll scan it. And then you can sign into Steam. So let's sign in right now. And then I should be able to sign in just on the web version right there. So if you're having problems, just look at 3 different ways. Use the Steam app, or just use the QR scanners on your phone. But the Steam app works pretty good. And then I'm on signed in right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.